Hi, good evening, students. Welcome to Ram's Maths classes. Today, going to discuss JEE Mains Phase 2 2021 16th March morning shift question paper. First question, if y equal to y of x is the solution of differential equation dy by dx plus 2 by tan x equal to sin x, y of 5 by 3 equal to 0, then maximum value of y of x. Here, this question is clearly in the differential equation chapter. Subtopic is linear differential equation. Linear differential equation general form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Here p value comparing 2 tan x, q value sin x. Integration factor is required. IF is e power integral p dx. Now getting e power integral 2 tan x into dx. We know tan x integral log mod secant x. This value is e power log secant square x. We know the formula. This value is secant square x. General solution. Y into if equal to integral q into if into dx. Y into secant square x is equal to integral q value sin x into secant square x into dx. This value is 1 time secant x taken down cos, then sin by cos tan x into secant x. What is the integral of tan x into secant x? Secant x plus integral constants c. Here, this function is given that passes through the point pi by 3, 0. Then substitution, it is 0, pi by 3, secant pi by 3, 2. It is gives c value minus 2. The value y into secant square x is equal to secant x minus 2. Y equal to cos x minus 2 cos square x. Minus 2 common, make it completion of square. Cos square x minus cos x by 2. How to make completion of square, you know? Cos square x minus 2 into cos x into 1 by 4. For getting perfect square, 1 by 16 added, subtracted. Then it is equal to first 3 terms cos x minus 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 by 16. Then multiplying each term with minus 2. Minus into minus plus 1 by 8 minus 2 into cos x minus 1 by 4 whole square. Here required is maximum. Maximum case it should be 0. Maximum is equal to 1 by 8. At cos x is 1 by 4. This is first question. It is medium level, not that much difficult. Next, here this question is from inverse trigonometric functions. It is an important model, symmetric difference model. Any question like that is given by using this formula. Tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus x into y equal to tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. By using this formula, we will make symmetric difference. Each term convert like this. This only main important technique. tan inverse of 6 power r by 2 power 2r plus 1 plus 3 power 2r plus 1. Here 1 required. What I am doing is numerator and denominator dividing with 3 power 2r plus 1. Then numerator is 6 power r by 3 power 2r plus 1. Denominator is 2 by 3 whole power 2r plus 1. Now here tan inverse of here 2 power r by 3 power r plus 1. Here 1 plus 2 by 3 whole power r into 2 by 3 whole power r plus 1. Here numerator can be written as 2 by 3 whole power r minus 2 by 3 whole power r plus 1 by 1 plus 2 by 3 whole power r into 2 by 3 whole power r plus 1. Observe here 2 by 3 whole power r common, 1 minus 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3 means 1 by 3. Exactly same. Is it clear? Now here this value equal to tan inverse 2 by 3 whole power r minus tan inverse 2 by 3 whole power r plus 1. This is one of the term converted rth term. Now we will apply summation. Sk equal to summation of r equal to 1 to k. That value tan inverse 2 by 3 whole power r minus tan inverse 2 by 3 whole power r plus 1. R is 1. Tan inverse 2 by 3 minus tan inverse 2 by 3 whole square. R is 2. Tan inverse 2 by 3 whole square minus tan inverse 2 by 3 whole cube plus and so on. Last is k, no? Tan inverse 2 by 3 whole power k minus tan inverse 2 by 3 whole power k plus 1. Here, except first and last, every term cancelled. Because of that, we did a symmetric difference. Tan inverse 2 by 3 minus tan inverse 2 by 3 whole power k plus 1. This is Sk. But actually required limit k tends to infinite Sk. It is tan inverse 2 by 3. Fraction power infinite tends to 0. That means answer is tan inverse 2 by 3. But no option tan inverse 2 by 3. It will be converted into cot inverse 3 by 2. This is the way. Next question. The question is from 3D geometry. If a greater than 0, the theta perpendiculars from the points a comma minus 2a comma 3 and b 0 4 5 on the plane lx plus my plus n equal to 0 or points c 0 minus a minus 1 and d respectively, then the length of the line segment cd is required. I am taking plane. It is plane without constraint means it is clearly passes through origin. Here points are given. One point is A, put a perpendicular C. Another point is B, its foot of perpendicular is D. These two are perpendicular to the plane. Now, plane equation is given Lx plus My plus Nz equal to 0. Now easily get drs of normal. Here Lmn, drs of normal. Now I am calculating drs of normal. AC drs. What about AC drs? A coordinates, C coordinates are there. X2 minus x1 minus A plus A minus 4. Multiply with minus A minus A 4. These are drs. But given as Lmn, both are equal and passes through 0 0. Ax minus Ay plus 4z is equal to 0. C lies on it. Substitute here, getting A equal to plus or minus 2, but given A positive, so A equal to 2. Then A coordinates 2 minus 4, 3. C coordinates, already you got it, 0. A is minus 2, minus 1. D required. What is D? Put of perpendicular from 0, 4, 5. The foot of perpendicular from x1, y1, z1 on plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 is shortcut formula x1 plus a lambda, y1 plus b lambda, z1 plus c lambda. Here lambda value minus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by a square plus b square plus c square. Now using formula, put of perpendicular of B required. B coordinates x1, y1, z1. Plane is, here plane is already A calculated, 2x minus 2y plus 4z equal to 0. 2 common and cancelled. X minus y plus 2z. D coordinates x1 plus a lambda is 1. y1 plus b lambda. B is minus 2, minus 1. Z1 plus c lambda. What is lambda value? Minus of these coordinates substitution here. How much getting? 4 plus 10 by a square plus b square plus c square. 1 plus 1 plus 4. 6 by 6 minus is there, minus 1. D coordinates minus 1, 5. What is this value? Minus 1 substituted here. And 5 minus 5 minus 2, 3. C coordinates already there. CD distance 1 plus 49 plus 16 root 66. This is also moderate question. Next question is, consider three observations A, B, C such that B is given as A plus C. If the standard deviation of A plus 2, B plus 2, C plus 2 is D, that means SD of ABC also same, because any fixed quantity added, subtracted, no effect on standard deviation. You have formula variance equal to 1 by n into summation of xi square minus x bar square, I equal to 1 to n. Sigma is d, d square equal to 3 terms 1 by 3 sum of the squares minus a plus b plus c mean whole square 1 by 3 a square plus b square plus c square minus a plus c equal to 2b. B, no, that means you get 2b. Now value is a square plus b square plus c square by 3 minus 4d b square by 9. Multiply now, 9d square equal to 3a square plus 3b square plus 3c square minus 4b square. Now here you get 4b square. Now 9d square equal to 3a square plus 3c square minus b square. Here based on given options, b square equal to 3 times a square plus c square minus 9d square. That means option is 2. Clear? Now here fifth question. It is also connected with 3D geometry. Here P be the plane. This plane also passes through 0, 0, 0. And line, here I am changing minus multiplying. Y plus 4 by 2 is equal to Z plus 2 by 3. If the plane P divides the line joining AB in the ratio k is to 1, then k equal to required. The plane is completely contains this line. Whatever points, the points 1, minus 4, minus 2, and the drs of line minus 1, 2, 3, and plane already passes through 0, 0, 0. Equation of plane. X minus 0, y minus 0, z minus 0 by 1, minus 4, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 3 is equal to 0. Expanding, minus 12 plus 4 minus y into 3 minus 2 plus z into 2 minus 4 equal to 0. Minus 8x minus y minus 2z is equal to 0. Plane is getting like this. Multiplying with minus 8x plus y plus 2z is equal to 0. This is the plane. Plane divides AB at P at certain point. That point divides K is to 1. A coordinates you have, B coordinates 2, 4, minus 3. This point, my assumption, Q coordinates by using section formula 2k minus 3 by k plus 1, 4k minus 6 by k plus 1, minus 3k plus 1 by k plus 1 lies on plane. 8 into 2k minus 3 by k plus 1, 4k minus 6 by k plus 1, next 2 into minus 3k plus 1 by k plus 1 is equal to 0. K plus 1 common and LCM cancelled. 16k minus 24 plus 4k minus 6k plus 2 is equal to 0. K terms. What about k? 14k. Because 16 plus 4, 20 minus 4, 6. Here 24 minus 6 minus 30 plus 2 minus 28. Then k value getting 2. This is the moderate question. And solution is bit lengthy, but method is easier. Next question, I'm moving to next. This question, complex number connect to largest value of mod z required. You have here logarithm of 1 by root 2 base log mod z plus 11 by mod z minus 1 whole square is lesser than or equal to 2. Base value fraction means whenever logarithms eliminated, inequality reverse. Mod z minus 1 whole square greater than or equal to 1 by root 2 whole square, 1 by 2. Cross multiply 2 mod z plus 22 greater than or equal to mod z minus 1 whole square, mod z square plus 1 minus 2 mod z. Here taking left, completely right, mod z square minus 4 mod z plus minus 22. Okay, mod z square minus 4 mod z. I am adding plus 4 minus making completion of square. Here 26. Mod z minus 2 whole square lesser than or equal to 26. Here getting here clearly listen. One more time here 1 is there. That means plus 1, 25. Here 25. Mod z minus 2 lesser than or equal to 5. Mod z lesser than or equal to 7. That means largest value 7. Is it clear? Here inequality reverse. Why? Because base value fraction. Whenever logarithms with base value 0 to 1 in between, inequality reverse. More than 1, inequality sign as it is. Here this question in the probability based theorem connective. A pack of cards has one card missing. Two cards are drawn randomly and are found to be spades. The probability that missing card is not a spade. Okay, given is missing card spade. It is probability is P of A1 1 by 4 because 13 by 52. A2 missing card not a spade. P of A2 3 by 4. E selecting two spades. Here required is probability of missing card not a spade. That means P of A2 given E. That is equal to P of A2 intersection E by P of E. It is happen P of A2 into P of E. E given A2. It will happen P of A1 into P of E given A1 plus P of A2 P of E given A2. Substitute the values. 3 by 4 into missing card not a spade. That means two card selection from spades, 13 out of 51 C2. Why? Because 51 one card is missing. 1 by 4 into 12 C2 by 51 C2. Because here missing card is spade. 3 by 4 13 C2 by 51 C2. Here LCM apply. 4 into 51 C2 cancel. 3 into 13 C2 by 1 into 12 C2 plus 3 into 13 C2. This value is 3. 13 into 12 by 2. 13 into 6. 12 into 11 by 2. 6 into 11. 3 into 13 into 6. This value how much will happen? Any number cancelled? 6 cancelled in all. 39. 11 plus 39. No? Here how much get? 39 by 40, 50. Option is fourth option. Now next question. 8th question. It is connected with algebra functions. Here given mod x minus 3 into modulus of x plus 4 is equal to 6. Here critical points, it is 0. Minus infinite to minus 4. What will happen? X value negative. Mod x is minus x. It is also negative. Minus of x minus 4. X plus 4. Both minus means you get plus. X plus 3 into x plus 4 is equal to 6. Expanding here, x square plus 7x plus 12 minus 6, 6. Factorizing x plus 1 into x plus 6 equal to 0. Here getting x equal to minus 1 and minus 6. This value not valid. Why? Because x value minus infinite to minus 4. Second case, minus 4 to 0. Mod x is minus x. This is positive. Equal to 6. X plus 3 into x plus 4 is equal to minus 6. Multiplying here, 7x plus 12 means 18. Here discriminant is b square minus 4ac less than 0. No solution. No values of x, no real values. Third case, 0 to infinite, because here mod x is critical point 0, modulus x plus 4 is minus 4. That's why critical points at the moment we split it into parts. Before minus 4 to 0, 0 to 4. All the values positive. X square plus x minus 12 minus 6 minus 18. How much you get? Discriminant positive only. X value positive required, minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4 into 18 by 2a. Here required is positive quantity. That means here plus a case only get one root, one value. Total solutions, here one, two solutions. Option is 2. This question is easier. Very easily get. Tautology means always true. Here P, Q, P or Q, P and Q, P tends to Q. First option, second option, third option, fourth option, possible values. Both true. Everything true, no? First option also true, second also true, third also true, fourth also true. True, false. This is true, this is false. Because both false, false. One is false, one is true, also false. Both true, that then only true. Here truth to false, false. Whatever first option, false to true, false, true. Second option, false and false, false only. This option ruled out. Because tautology means always true. Here, this is false, this is true, no? It is true. Fourth option, it is, what will happen? It is false, it is false, false. This option also ruled out. Possible options, no, either first or third. Now I am taking FT. It is T, it is F, it is a T. What will happen? First option, false to truth. It is false, it is true, truth only. Here, for third option, it is false, it is true, true only. This case also true. Both false. It is true. What will happen? False to truth. False to truth. What will happen? Truth only. This one, third option, false or false means false only. Finally, option is 1. This question is easy to get. Everyone easy to score this question. Now, next question. Here, this question is binomial theorem connective. Here, there, fraction powers 3 power 1 by 4, 5 power 1 by 8, whole power 60. In this expansion, 61 terms. Because of fraction power, some of the terms with irrational, some of the terms rational. TR plus 1, you know, 60 CR 3 power 60 minus R by 4 5 power R by 8. For what values of R? R equal to 0. It should be divisible with 8. R should be divisible with 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, next 40, 48, 56, 60. But at the same time, 60 minus R also divisible with 4. That means 60 divisible with 4, R also divisible with 4. This is valid, this is valid, this is valid. Which value? Here, this one not divisible with 8, no? Okay, fine. How many? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 terms. N is number of irrational terms in the expansion. 8 terms irrational, correct? 8 divisible, 0, 8, 16 like that. 6, 7, 8. N is 8. N minus 1 is 7. That is the answer. I think clear for all. Here is divisible by n minus 1, 7. N is number of irrational terms. These are rational terms. Sorry. It is rational terms connectivity. Rational terms is 8. Irrational. Irrational is how many irrational remaining? N equal to 61 minus 8. 61 minus 8, how much? 11, 3. 3 means 5, 53. N minus 1 is 52. This is divisible by 26. Second option. Here irrational terms is equal to total number of terms minus rational terms. We are calculated rational terms, correct? Now this question 11. Here given f is a function from R to R, g is a function from R to R defined. It is a differentiability connective question. F circle G. G of x. Composite function is it continuous? Here x is 1, 1. Here also 1. Continuous. F is continuous. First of all, internal function should be continuous and differentiable. G of x is continuous at x equal to 1. Why? Because one substitution, left limit is 1, right limit is 1, function value also 1. G dash of x 3x square 3 at x is 1, differentiable also, left derivative 1 3, right derivative 3. Got it? Here f is, what about f? At 0, left limit to right limit 0. F is not continuous at 0. Here f of g of x. G of x is 0. Then f circle g not differentiable. G of x at what case 0? G of x. Here minimum value 1. It is not possible to 0. X cube is 0 at x equal to 0. That means number of points in R, f circle G, not differentiable, only 1 point. That is x equal to 0. It is easier. Next question, the range of the function here given 4a minus 3 into x plus log 5 base c plus 2 into a minus 7. This one converting, it is what will happen, cos x by sin x, cos x by 2 by sin x by 2, sin square x by 2, 1 time sin x cancelled. We are getting 4 minus a, 4a minus 3 into x plus log 5 base c plus a minus 2 into 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 sin x. This is f of x. Range of a belongs to R for which the function has critical points. Critical points means f dash of x 0. F dash of x 0 means 4a minus 3 into 1 plus a minus 2 into cos x equal to 0. The values of a for which this is satisfied, a minus 2 into cos x is equal to 3 minus 4a. Cos x value 3 minus 4a by a minus 2. We know cos x range. Cos x range minus 1 to plus 1. Whatever cos x, this value should be like this. Then only. Here two cases you get. Minus 1 lesser than or equal to 3 minus 4a by a minus 2 and 3 minus 4a by a minus 2 less than or equal to 1. I am taking first case and second case separately. Case 1, 3 minus 4a by a minus 2 greater than or equal to minus 1. That means 3 minus 4a by a minus 2 plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. LCM applying. One minus 3, how much you get? This value Here given 7 up. Here 7 is given. What will happen now? Three minus 4a by a minus 7. LCM applying. How much will happen? Minus 4 minus 3a. A minus 7 greater than or equal to 0. Minus multiply 4 plus 3a by a minus 7 lesser than or equal to 0. That means a value should be minus 4 by 3 to equality not allowed 7 open interval. Here getting, but second interval also you need to check. Okay, second interval. What about second interval? 3 minus 4a by a minus 7 less than 1. Three minus 4a by a minus 7 minus 1 less than or equal to 0. 3 minus 4a minus a plus 7 by a minus 7 less than or equal to 0. How much you get? 10 minus 5a by a minus 7 less than or equal to 0. Here 5 cancel both the sides. Minus here satisfying values. Critical points 2, 7. More than 2, what will happen? Negative. More than 7, negative. Positive, negative. This case. Other case is minus 4 by 3 to 7. 7 not included. Seven not included. That means double line values. Minus 4 by 3 to 2 included. That is the answer. Next question. You have one connectivity. Before going to that question, here 1 minus x plus x cube whole power n. I am assuming f of x. Its expansion. You get like this. A 3n x power 3n. F of 1 means a0 plus a1 plus a2 plus and so on a3n. F of minus 1, add both. Odd powers, you get minus. Now here 2 is even powers, like this. If case subtracted, what will happen? Odd powers of x. Now question is j equal to 0 to step of 3n by 2 a 2j plus 4. Here you see 4 into j equal to 0 to step 3n minus 1 by 2 a 2j plus 1. Here all even powers, here all odd powers. Even powers means f of 1 plus f of minus 1, 4 into odd powers, f of 1 minus f of minus 1 by 2. F of 1 is x replaced with 1, 1. F of minus 1, f of minus 1. What will happen? 1 plus 1 minus 1, 1 only. F of 1, 1, f of minus 1, 1 only. The answer getting 1. Which option correct? First option. This is a moderate question. Next, 14th question. Let a vector alpha I plus beta j be obtained by rotating root 3i plus j by an angle 45 degrees about origin. Counterclockwise direction means positive direction in first quadrant. Then the area of triangle found by alpha beta 0 alpha beta 0 0. Here initially the point is it is 2D only because x coordinate y coordinate like this. You know 0 0. Initial point root 3 1. Its length is 2. Okay, fine. It is rotated. Its inclination how much? X2 minus x1 by slope is 1 by root 3. Inclination how much? 1 by root 3 means 30 degree. Now 45 degrees rotated. This length also same. This angle is 75 degrees. This coordinates alpha beta. What will happen? Alpha is 2 cos 75 r cos theta or sin theta. Theta is 75. 2 sin 75. Now what is the area? Area of alpha beta 0 beta 0 0 of into x1 y2 minus x2 y1. This is the formula. 0 x1 y1 x2 y2 0 0 x1 y2 alpha beta x2 y1 0 1 by 2 into alpha beta. Alpha beta means these values. 2 cos 75 2 sin 75. It is what will happen? Sin 150. Sin 150 degrees 1 by 2. Answer is 1 by 2. Okay. The position vectors of 2 points P and Q given as P 3 minus 1, 2. Q is given as 1, 2, minus 4 respectively. RS be 2 points such that direction cosines PR drs 4 minus 1, 2. QS drs minus 2, 1 minus 2 respectively. Equation PR x minus 3 by 4 y plus 1 by minus 1 z minus 2 by 2. Here point of intersection of PR and Q is required. QS line passing through Q. X minus 1 by minus 2, y minus 2 by 1, z plus 4 by minus 2. It is assuming nu. The point on it. What will happen? 4 lambda plus 3 minus lambda minus 1, 2 lambda plus 2. Here point on it, minus 2 nu plus 1, nu plus 2, minus 2 nu minus 4. At the moment this is t. For common point, both equal. Both equal means 4 lambda plus 3 equal to minus 2 nu plus 1. What will happen? 4 lambda plus 2 nu is equal to minus 2. 2 lambda plus nu is equal to minus 1. Second coordinate also I am equating. Minus lambda minus 1 equal to nu plus 2. Here minus 3 equal to nu plus lambda. These two solving. Second, first equation minus second. What will happen? 2 lambda plus nu minus 1 minus lambda plus nu minus 3. Subtracting lambda equal to 2. T coordinates. Lambda 2 means what will happen? 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Lambda 2 minus 3. Lambda 2, 4, 5, 6. This is T coordinates. TA perpendicular to TA perpendicular to PR and QS. That means TA equal to TA proportional to and of length root 5 units. Cross product apply. PR cross QS. JK 4 minus 1 2 minus 2 1 minus 2. How much will happen? I into 0 minus j into that expanding minus 8 plus 4 plus k into 4 minus 2. That means what will happen? TA 4 j plus 2k but magnitude is root 5. That means divide with 2. It is either T a perpendicular. Here T already you have. Here maybe plus or minus will happen. TA equal to YA minus OT. YA 11I minus 3J plus 6K. What will happen? If plus taken, what will happen? YA equal to 11I taken plus minus 3J minus J plus taken 6K plus K 7K. Its magnitude modulus of position vector 121 plus 1 plus 49 root 171. It is their option. If not satisfied means no option, means you take with minus sign. That one, I think clear. Next question. If the three normals drawn to the parabola y square equal to 2x passes through the point a comma 0, a not equal to 0, a must be greater than. You have one formula. From h comma 0 to parabola y square equal to 4ax. Three normals adjust, then h greater than 2a. A must be greater than. If case one is axis, other two perpendicular. H equal to 3a. These are useful shortcuts. Here 4a, H means here given A, no? H is A. A greater than 2a means 1. A should be greater than 1. Option is third. I think clear. Next question. If learned shortcuts easy to solve, time management also easier. Here given equation log 10 into sin x cos x equal to minus 1. That means sin x into cos x is equal to 10 power minus 1. 2 sin x cos x is equal to 1 by 5. Sin 2x equal to 1 by 5. Keep it like this. One more equation. 2 taking left, sin x plus cos x log 10 base n, 1 written as log 10 by log 10 base 10. Here is what will happen. Sin x plus cos x whole square is equal to log 10, 10 by 10. Eliminating logs, it is what will happen. 1 plus sin 2x, n by 10. 1 plus 1 by 5 is equal to n by 10. 6 by 5 equal to n by 10. Then gives n equal to 12. It is easier. Next, this question, sum of the values is equal to 30. 81 written as 3 power 4. 3 power 4 sin square x, 3 power 4 cos square x is equal to 30. Cosine square x is equal to 30. 3 power 4 sin square x is equal to t. T plus 3 power 4 by t is equal to 30. T square plus 81 equal to 30t. T square minus 30t plus 81 equal to 0. Factorizing t minus 3 into t minus 27 equal to 0. T equal to 3 or t equal to 27. T means 3 power 4 sin square x is equal to 3. 4 sin square x is equal to 1. Sin x equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Here 3 power 4 sin square x is equal to 3 cube. Sin square x equal to 3 by 4. Sin x equal to plus or minus root 3 by 4. Here angle is given 0 to pi. 0 to pi, how many times? Both should be positive. Sin x should be positive. That means here 1 by 2 twice will happen. Root 3 by 2 twice will happen. Total number of solutions 4. 1 by 2 what value? Pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. Root 3 by 2 for what value? Pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. It is easier. Next question. Here A is given as I taken out 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. A power 8. What is A square? I square into 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. What will happen? First row with first column 2, first row with second column minus 2, second row with first column minus 2, second row with second column 2. 2 I square into 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. This is happening. A power 4 what will happen? 2 square. A square into A square. 2 square I power 4, 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Here 4, this is 2 minus 2 minus 2 2. It is what will happen, 2 cube into 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Here 4 power 8, a power 8, a power 8 is a power 4 into a power 4, 2 power 6, this into this what will happen, 2 minus 2 minus 2 2, 2 power 7, 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. This is that of a power 8, how much, 0. Here this equation a power 8 into x y is equal to 8 into 8 to 64. That way, here what will happen, equations 128 minus 128 minus 128 minus plus 128. It's a dead 0. But what will happen here? Put here multiply with this 128x minus 128y is equal to 8. 1 minus 128x plus 128y is equal to 64. Adding 0 equal to how much? 72. It is meaningless, no solution. Clear? It is easier only. Patience required, but here 20th question. Locus of midpoints of chord of the circle. The circle is given x square plus y square equal to 25. Locus of midpoint of chord of the circle. I am assuming whatever locus required, that point is px1 y1. It is midpoint of chord. Chord equation t equal to s1 xx1 plus yy1 minus 25 equal to x1 square plus y1 square minus 25. 25 cancelled. xx1 plus yy1 minus of x1 square plus y1 square equal to 0. This is line tangent to x square by 9 minus y square by 16 equal to 1. Lx plus my plus n equal to 0 is tangent to x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Then condition is a square L square minus b square m square equal to n square. Now apply condition. A is x1, a square is 9, L is x1 square, b square is 16, m is y1 square is equal to n square. Locus means x1 y1 replaced by xy. What will happen? X square plus y square whole square minus of 9x square minus 16y square equal to 0. Geometry learned properly, it is easier. Here numerical questions little bit lengthy will happen, but patience required. Here A is total number of 3 by 3 matrices A having entries 0, 1, 2, 3, such that sum of all diagonal entries of A into A transpose is 9. I am assuming A equal to A transpose ABC PQ R L M N A into A transpose. Here only requires sum of diagonal elements. Diagonal elements first column A square B square C square. Second row second column not required. P square plus Q square plus R square. Next diagonal third row third column L square plus M square plus N square. Sum is 9. 9 equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus P square plus Q square plus R square plus L square plus M square plus N square. Here one thing, ABC values everything from 0, 1, 2, 3. How to get? Case 1. 9 elements, all ones. That means how many ways? Arrangement is 9 factorial by 9 factorial. It is one case. One of the value out of them 1, 3, remaining 8 zeros. How many ways arranged? 9 factorial by 8 factorial. It is 9 ways. 1, 3. 3 square is 9. Remaining zeros. Any place you can. Here, 2 twos. 2 twos means 2 square plus 2 square, 8. 1, 1. Remaining zeros. 6 zeros. How many ways arranged? 9 factorial by 2 factorial, 1 factorial, 6 factorial. How much you get? 9, 8, 7, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 only. 4 times. Here how much? 36 into 7. 42. 21. 21 plus 4. 25. Next case. How many twos? 2 twos means 8. 1, 2 means 4. 5 ones. Total 6. 3 zeros. How many ways arrange? 9 factorial by 1, 2. 5 ones. 5 factorial. 3 factorial. 3 zeros. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 by 1 into 2 into 3. 3 factorial cancel. Here how much you get? It is double of that. 4. 500. 504. Add all. 504. 252. 9 plus 1 10. 6, 6, 7. Sum of all diagonal elements. 1 minute. 766. Answer numerical. Got it? Next question. Limit of summation question. Definite integral. You have formula. Limit n tends to infinite. 1 by n into summation of r equal to 1 to lambda n f of r by n. It changes to 0 to lambda f of x into dx. This is the connective formula. 1 by n changes to dx, r by n changes to x, lower limit 0, upper limit coefficient of n, that is lambda. Here, limit n tends to infinite, 2 by n. Here summation of r equal to 1 to n, f of r by n, that only given. 2 taking out, limit n tends to infinite, 1 by n. Here r equal to 1 to n, f is log base 2, 1 plus tan 5 by 4, x replaced by r by n. Got it? This can be written as 0 to 1 log base 2, r by n changes to x, tan of 5 by 4 x dx. 5 by 4x is equal to t. Dx equal to 4 by pi dt. Lower limit 0, upper limit 5 by 4. Log 2, log of 1 plus tan x into dx. You have one connectivity, it's very standard question, 0 to pi by 4, log of 1 plus tan x dx. Its value, board question only, pi by 8 log 2. Now I am modifying it. Here log 2 is there. It is written as, here dx is, in terms of t means, what will happen? T 4 by pi dt. 4 by 5 log 1 plus tan t dt by log 2. Separated, here base 2 now. Then 8 by pi log 2 also taken out. That numerator is 5 by 8 log 2. Cancelled. It is 1. Answer is 1. Here, what I did, log a base b written as log a base c by log b base c, like that modified, because here base c. We have question. Next question. It is very good question. Depth level. More. ABCD be a square of side of one unit. Let the circle C1 centered at A with one unit radius is drawn. First of all, I am drawing. This is A, B, C, D. I am assuming this is 0, 0. 1 unit. It is 1, 0. It is 1, 1. It is 0, 1. A circle, unit radius, center at O. A circle of unit radius, center at O. like this. Its center is O. Then after another circle C2 which touches C1 and lines AD and AB are tangents to it. That means that circle like this. Its radius, I am assuming R. It is touches. Its radius R means what will happen? Center. I am assuming center is C1. Its center is R, R. Now these two circles touches internally, no? C circle, C1 circle center A 0 0, R1 is 1, C2 circle center R, R, radius R, touches internally. Distance between centers equal to R1 minus R2. Distance between centers R square plus R square 1 minus R root 2 R is equal to 1 minus R. From this R into root 2 plus 1 is 1. R value 1 by root 2 plus 1. Rationalizing root 2 minus 1. R value you got it. Next information is let the tangent line from C to the circle C2 meets AB at E. AB at E. This is tangent to the circle C2 meets AB at E. EB length alpha plus root 3 beta. Then alpha plus beta value required. Here, what will happen? Now, one more thing. This line makes 45 degrees, correct? This is 90. This length is R. This length how much? C1 is equal to C A minus AC1. This length I need. CA. CA means here to here distance, root 2, no? This is 1, this is 1. Hypotenuse root 2. AC1. AC1 means here to here distance. Root 2 R. R value root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 2. Root 2 common. 2 common. 2 into root 2 minus 1. Already you know it is root 2 minus 1. This is assumption data. Sin theta how much? Sin theta opposite side by root 2 minus 1 by hypotenuse 2 into root 2 minus 1, 1 by 2. That means theta equal to 30 degree. Already you know this is 45 means it is 15. This is already you know 1. Now required EB tan 15 equal to EB by hypotenuse 1, opposite side 1. That means EB equal to how much? Tan 15 is 2 minus root 3. What is A alpha? Alpha is 2, beta is minus 1. What is required? Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is 1. Next question. Here, fourth question, normal to the curve. The curve is given y equal to, y of x means y, 2t square minus 15t plus 10 into dt. At a comma b, normal at a comma b, parallel to x plus 3y is equal to minus 5. Normal slope minus 1 by 3. Tangent slope 3. dy by dx at AB is equal to 3. dy by dx means differentiate with respect to Leibniz rule, 2x square minus 15x plus 10 at AB is equal to 3. X value a, 2a square minus 15a plus 10 equal to 3. 2a square minus 15a plus 7 equal to 0. How much you get? 14. 2a square minus a minus 14a plus 7 equal to 0. A common, 2a minus 1 minus 7 into 2a minus 1 is equal to 0. Is it correct? A is equal to 7 or 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is wrong. Why? Because a greater than 1. That means point is a is 7, b value required. Because a b required, no? B how to get? The point is lies on the curve also, no? That means curve equation must y equal to applying integral 2t cube by 3 minus 15t square by 2 plus 10t 0 to x. 2x cube by 3 minus 15x square by 2 plus 10x. 0 subtraction 0. Substitute that point. B is equal to 2 into 7 cube by 3 minus 15 into 7 square by 2 plus 70. Here what is the value common? 7 square 49 common. Rest of the values 14 by 3 minus 15 by 2 plus 70. Applying LCM, 6 is LCM, 28 minus 45 plus 70. This value is 70 minus 49 by 6 into 17. Is it 17? Yeah, 45. It is B. What is required? Modulus of A plus 6B. A already you know 7. 6 into 7, 42. 6 into this value, 49 into 17. You can calculate. 427 minus, how much you get? 9 sevens of 63. 7 4 the 28, 28 plus 6 34, 49, 11, 8, 8 13. Subtracting this minus that, 427, 6 10 means 8. Here 7, right? 386. How much you get? 70. Calculate carefully. Its value calculate once again. Consider an arithmetic series and geometric series having 4 initial terms from the set. For arithmetic series 4 terms, geometric series 4 terms from that set. Here clearly GP what will happen? 4, 8, 16, 32 only. AP 11, 21, 26, 11, 16. How many terms given here? 11, 16, 21, 26 is fine. 5 common difference. R value 2. If the last two terms of this series are maximum possible 4-digit numbers, I am extending GP. 64, 128, 256, whatever next, double, next 1024, next 2048, next 4096, next 8192. Here what will happen here? Up to next is more than 4 digit. The number of common terms in the AP clear all the terms 11 onwards. Units place either 1 or 6. How many terms common? In this series either 1 or 6 in units place that common to the both. 16 common, 256 common, 4096 common. 3 terms common. Total 3 terms common. Next, question number 6. Here, a curve y equal to f of x, y equal to y of x be the solution of differential equation if the numerical value of area bounded by y equal to y of x and x axis is 4 root 8 by 3, then y of 1. It is differential equation connected question. Here dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 2. integrate y equal to x square plus 2x plus c. It is parabola with x-axis. You have one formula, area bounded by y equal to ax square plus bx plus c with the x-axis. B square minus 4ac whole power 3 by 2 by 6a square. This is the formula. Here x-axis 4 root 8 by 3 b square. What is b2? 4ac 4c. B square also 4, huh? A is 1, C 3 by 2 6c square 6 2 times 8 root 8 is equal to 4 minus 4c whole power 3 by 2. Here what will happen? 8 power 3 by 2, no? That means 8 equal to 4 minus 4c. 4c equal to minus 4. C equal to minus 1. That means y is equal to x square minus plus 2x minus 1. Y of 1, 2. Yeah, that is the answer. Next. This is a f or 2 or continuous function such that f of x plus f of x plus 2, x plus 1 equal to 2. By using this period calculate, x replaced by x plus 2, what will happen? X plus 1, f of x plus 1 plus f of x plus 2 is equal to 2. Subtract, these two cancelled. F of x minus f of x plus 2 is equal to 0. F of x equal to f of x plus 2. T value 2. Period is 2. I1 is 0 to 8 f of x. This is 4 times 0 to 2 f of x dx. You have one formula, integral 0 to nt f of x dx n times 0 to t f of x. One more formula, mt to nt f of x dx n minus m into 0 to t f of x dx. This is I1. I2 is, what will happen? How many times? Minus 1 to 3 f of x dx. It is equal to 2 times 0 to 2 f of x dx. Now, how much will happen? I1 plus 2I2. I1 is 4 times 0 to 2 f of x dx. 2 into 2 times 8 times 0 to 2 f of x dx. Now here given f of x plus f of x plus 1 is equal to 2. Apply integral 0 to 2 f of x dx. Integral 0 to 2 f 2 dt. 2x. Here this value as it is. For this x plus 1 equal to t. What will happen? Dx equal to dt. What will happen? Limits only for middle. Limits 0 substitution 1, 2 substitution 3, f of t dt is equal to 2 into x 0 to 2, 4. Here, one more thing. F of x is periodic with period 2. Either 1 to 3 or 0 to 2, whatever area happened, equal, definite integral value. So, both are equal. Both are equal means what will happen? 2 times 0 to 2, f of x dx equal to 4. Then 2 cancelled. Required is 8 times. 8 times means 16 is answer. It is little bit difficult. Next, 8th question. Here, what is given P? P is a matrix with big numbers. A is a matrix with cube root of omega, cube root of unity omega. You know, omega cube is 1. 1 plus omega square is 0. These things required. Here, P inverse A, P minus I3. Determinant required. B identity, I3 is identity matrix of order 3 if the determinant of this value is alpha omega square, then alpha required. Clear this question? Here I am considering P inverse A, P minus I3. Its data required. This is written as P inverse P. Here I also find P inverse A. Left side P inverse taken out. Right side I am taking P. Its data I am applying. Its value, det of P inverse, det of A minus I, det of P. These two cancelled. Det of A minus I required. It is 1, 7 omega square minus 1 minus omega minus 1, 1, 0 minus omega minus omega. It is omega square 1 its det required. Expanding minus omega cube minus 1 plus omega minus 7 into omega square into omega. One minus 1 plus 1 cancelled, 6 omega squared at whole square equal to minus 6 omega whole square, 36 omega square. It is 36. Alpha is 36. Next, ninth question, it is connected with complex numbers. Z I am assuming x plus iy. Here, two connectivities given. Omega is z conjugate minus 2z plus 2. Modulus of z plus I by z minus 3i is equal to 1. From this, omega is, I need real omega has minimum value. Then minimum value of n for which omega power n is real. It is x square plus y square minus 2x plus iy plus 2. Real omega x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2. It is what will happen? X minus 1 whole square plus y square plus 1. It is minimum at x is 1. Here what will happen? Modulus z plus I is equal to modulus z minus 3i. Z replaced by x plus iy. X plus I into y plus 1. X plus I into y minus 3. Modulus apply. X square plus y plus 1 whole square. Here both equal. X square plus y minus 3 whole square. X square plus y plus 1 whole square. X square plus y minus 3 whole square. X square cancelled. Expanding. Y square plus 9 minus 6y. Y square also cancelled. 8y is equal to 8. Y also 1. Then omega is, what is omega? Omega power n is real. Omega required. Omega is here there. X square 1, y square 1, 2 into 1 plus I plus 2. 2 minus 2 plus 2 cancel. 2i. Omega power n. 2 power n. 1 minus I all power n. This value real. What is the minimum? This is real. N is 2, what will happen? Trial method. Two square, 1 minus I whole square. I square minus 2i. 4 into minus 1 plus 1 minus 2i. Minus 8i. N is 4, what will happen? Omega power 4 minus 8i whole square. 64 I square. It is minus 64. That means n is 4. N is 4, then you get real minimum. Next, here given limit connective question. Limit x tends to 0, already given. A e power x minus b sin x, b cos x plus c into e power minus x, x sin x. What I am doing is divide x multiply x. It is 2 given. It is 1. Limit x tends to 0. A e power x minus b cos x plus c into e power minus x by x square is equal to 2. Whenever x 0, denominator 0 means numerator should be 0 for applying L'Hospital rule. That means numerator, whenever x equal to 0, what will happen? A minus b plus c, it should be 0. LH rule apply. Applying a e power x plus b sin x minus c e power minus x by 2x. Whenever x0, denominator 0, that means numerator should be 0. Again applying LH rule. A e power x plus b cos x plus c e power minus x by 2. x0, a plus b plus c by 2 is equal to 2. That means a plus b plus c equal to 4. That is the answer.